Okay, another question, important type. Plot the points P, Q and S. 3 points are given and find out the coordinates of the point R such that PQRS is a square. 3 points are given and condition is given, it is a square, and we have to find out the coordinates of the fourth point. Here first point is 1 0, 1 2 3 and 4. 1 2 3 and 4. First point is 1 0, which is P. Second point is 4 0, because 1 0, so it will lie on x axis. 4 0 will also lies on y axis. 4 0 x axis, and the next point is given as S as 1 3. First point, name of the first point is P, name of the second point is Q, third point is given as S is 1 3. S is 1 3, abscissa is 1, ordinate is 3. So 1 and 3, x is 1, y and 3. Name of the point is S, and the given condition they are saying PQRS is a square. One more thing I want to tell you, this P is 1 0. So this is the perpendicular distance, this 1 unit is the perpendicular distance from y axis. For next coordinate 4 0, this is perpendicular distance, this 4 unit is the perpendicular distance from y axis, 4 unit. Next is 1 3. So 1 unit is the perpendicular distance from y axis, 3 unit is the perpendicular distance from x axis, and the condition is it is a square. How we can plot? Because it's a, I am using here actually this plain board I am using, but when you draw the graph, actually lines are drawn there, and the lines are perpendicular, mutually perpendicular. Horizontal and vertical lines are mutually perpendicular. They are saying it is a square. So with the help of this Q, we will draw a line which is parallel. Earlier here we will take first PS, we will join this PS. Now we have to draw this square. So with the help of Q, we will draw the line which is parallel to this PS. We will draw the line which is parallel to PS. Again, because here we have taken this side, now we will take this side also. With S as the point, here we will take this coordinate, we will draw the line which is parallel to this PQ. Okay, I am writing the coordinate of S is 1 and 3. So PQ, this is R, and S, this is a square. It was given already. I had taken the first point, second point, third point. Now how I had taken this fourth point with R, with Q as a point. Here with the help of this Q, we have taken one line which is parallel to this PS. With S, we have taken one line which is parallel to this PQ, and both the lines will intersect at a point R. Now we have to find out the coordinates of R. How we can find the coordinate of R? Coordinates of Q is 4 0. This I haven't written, this is 1 0. Coordinate of P is 1 0. Coordinate of S is 1 3. We have to find out the coordinate of R. This is 4 0. So this will be 4 and 3. I am telling how we have taken this as 4 3. Abscissa will be same. Abscissa of this point is 4 0. So abscissa of this will be 4. Now ordinate of these two will be same. Ordinate of S is 3 units. So ordinate of R will also be same, because this is actually the perpendicular distance. Perpendicular distance from y axis is 4 units. So perpendicular distance from y axis 4 unit, which is equal to 4 3. Perpendicular distance from x axis, perpendicular distance from x axis. So the point is R, and the coordinates are, coordinate of R is 4 and 3. This is a square. Again I am telling, plot all the 3 points. We have taken all the 3 points. After that condition was square. With the help of this point, draw a line which is parallel to PS. With this point, S point, draw a line which is parallel to PQ. Both the lines will intersect at a point, will give the name as S. we will give the name, sorry, here R, because PQRS is a square. Condition is of square. So in a square length, here the side will be same either with the help of this side 1 unit, 1 unit and 1 unit. Total length is 3 unit. From here you can check, or from here also 1, 2 and 3. This is of 3 unit. Now either with the help of taking the length or by joining the line which is parallel to PQ, this PS, and the another line which is parallel to this SR is parallel to PQ. By both the ways, it's up to you, either with the help of finding the length of the square or by joining the line, taking the line which is parallel to these two lines. It's up to you only. Okay.